Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can sign up for Adidas affiliated program. In order to do that procedure, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, you have to go to their official website. So type in www.adidas.com/US. That is going to take you to their official page, and this is how it's going to look like. While you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom. You can see there is this section as company info. So under it, you're going to locate affiliates, and when you actually press that, you'll be taken to this field. So now what you have to do is to apply for the affiliated program. Click on apply now link underneath, and it is going to take you to the registration field. So now first thing, go to select your country of your resident. Once you've done that, go to press on sign up. Now it's going to take up to approximately 5 minutes in order to complete the registration process. Go ahead and start with the procedure. So first thing, you have to go with the terms and condition. When you have actually done or marked with the terms and condition, then you can click on accept. And when you've actually done that, you can go ahead and either sign up with the email, Apple, Facebook, Google, or Twitter or a LinkedIn account. You can select either one of it and now start filling out the information. So that is basically how you can apply for the affiliated program of Adidas. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.